This is controversial. Particularly in sales, we are trying to get yes momentum from the buyer. We are very carefully designing what we are saying, our questions, in such a way that it's very easy for the buyer to agree with us. And this also spills over into colleagues, your peers, your subordinates, and discussing things, that you craft how you say things in such a way so it's very easy for the person to agree with your idea or your proposal or your suggestion. It's controversial because it can be misconstrued, or it can be manipulation, actually, depending on how you're doing it. So first of all, we're not talking about manipulation. We're not talking about getting people to do things that we want them to do that they don't want to do, and we're just using, our clever way with words to get them to be fooled into doing it. On the other hand, though, we can ask things in a way which makes it easy for people to agree. We can phrase things in a way which just cuts down the resistance, makes it clearer, makes it simpler, makes it easier to do. So getting people to say yes, or being in a forward momentum of agreeing with us, much, much better than having resistance and people fighting back and disagreeing, and because we didn't phrase it the right way. We didn't design the dialogue in the right way. It's a fine line. It is a fine line between manipulation on one side and designing the dialogue in a way that's very effective to get to a yes decision. If your heart is in the right place, it'll be no problem. If it's not in the right place, it's going to be a huge problem. So I appeal to those who have the heart in the right place. Craft your dialogue carefully and do it in such a way, make it easy for people to agree with you.